Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Wonka Cam here, and today we're going to be doing small fireworks. Sorry. So yeah, this is we're going to be doing small fireworks. Sorry, you can't see good.
Figure out how you're gonna do that.
Kendall, shush up. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom and get a drink. Okay, so I'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm back. I just need to do that stuff. So we're about ready to go inside, and outside. I already am inside, and yeah, we're gonna be doing fireworks. Okay. So these are all the fireworks we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing these. Yes. We're gonna be doing those amazing things. And those. That. And Saturn missiles. And those really good, cool things. So, yeah. And then there's the Mavericks. Don't worry. This is not working at all right now. Kendall's about ready to do a sparkler. Kendall, how does it feel to have a sparkler, Kendall? Yeah, Kendall.
Same clothes as I'm wearing, as I was wearing in your last video.
No. It's like it was just last night. What? Huh? Who you? Who you? Who you?
Oh, there's my phone.
There's Maverick Snub.
We didn't have a Roman candle.
Okay, I'm gonna see you guys do them. What is wrong with you, Riley? Well, that's your fault, Riley. I know, and I can run. No, you're not. Okay. That's about ready to do it. Yeah, we're been. He's actually. Okay, he's lighting. Yeah, He's lighting the Saturn missiles.
Just when you thought it was over.
And it's gonna just do it. Okay. Maybe one more? Okay, well that was interesting. We'll do a next one soon.
No!
Is that the spaceship? Nope, that's Saturn.
It was a good one!
No, it's not. What? I don't think he has one. Sorry guys, yeah, I know that really sucks, but my tablet's about ready to die, so I can't really record anymore. So hope you guys enjoyed, which you probably didn't, because nah, because those were really sucky, so hope you guys enjoyed it.